Roger Rayne arrived only to see Tarbeck Hall burning. The war had already been lost. Roger Rayne gambled everything on one attack, but gold crushed red beneath sheer numbers. Half his men died in retreat. Roger Rayne bled his way back to Castamere. The Raynes hid beneath Castamere, deep inside mines no army could storm. The Raynes offered surrender. Tywin answered with stone. Tywin turned a stream against the mines. Water found every crack, and Castamere began to drown. By morning, the screaming stopped. 100 souls vanished beneath Castamere forever. The Raynes and Tarbecks were erased from history, and the Seven Kingdoms learned one truth: defying the Lannisters ends in ruin.